looking at how to add a drop down list in HTML. Okay, so drop down list, for us to start with, as usual, we need to put our label tag, and this time I want a drop down list whereby we ask the user to like input which university they belong to. So I'm just going to put 3 universities there, and they will kind of like select while signing up. So that's what I'm trying to do here. So I'm going to write institution as the heading. So that's the label. Let's use our break tag in order for it to start to a new line. Okay. So next you have to put the select tag. Very important. Without that select tag it won't work. Okay. So put that select tag. So after you input that select tag, the next tag to put is option tag. So in that option tag, put those universities there. So Unilag, put another option tag. Which university should we use now? Let's use Uniben. Option tag OAU. Okay, so just use 3 because of time. So if we save this now, so I just save this now using Ctrl S. And I want to space. Let me break this line again so that there won't be jam packed between this about you and this drop down. Okay, so let's see what I just did here now. You can see institution, drop down list. If I click, you can see how we started with Unilag. Unilag is the first. So if I click on it, you can see it drop down list. So the user can select which university they belong to. So let me just select Uniben. You can see how Uniben is selected. Let me space this about you. It's very close to this stuff. Let me put another break tag. Save. Let's check again. Okay, good. Now it is well spaced. So that's the point. Now there's another feature you can add. Like if you notice when we first opened this page, it took us directly. It made Unilag the first school as a list, probably because it's the first university I chose to write. Okay. So there's a way you can do it that whereby if you know most of your users belong to one particular school, just to ease the stress of them typing this and selecting which institution they belong to. So you can just choose to make OAU the default selected one. So anybody that is not OAU will click that drop down to choose the other school they belong. Okay. So let me show you what I'm trying to say. I'm going to cancel this. Now this OAU, I'm going to add an attribute to it. So that attribute is selected equal to quotes. I'll write selected again, selected, save. Now let me run this so you see what I'm trying to say now. You can see now, I just run this now, open the page. OAU is selected by default. So it depends if you know that most of your users are from OAU. So just put that as default stuff. But if I'm not from OAU, I'll just click the drop down and select the school I belong in. Then go to the next option. You understand? So that is about this drop down aspect. So the last one we'll be looking at is how to put this submit button. That's after you've input all your necessary stuff inside here. Then you click submit. So that will be the next lecture. Thank you.